Hey y'all, it's Lisa. Thank you for clicking on my channel today. I am doing another unboxing for a company called FeeLookArt. They specialize in diamond paintings and they are quite exquisite. I am going to be showing you this kit called Celine. Let me open the box. By the way, if you haven't been here before, welcome. I did an unboxing and a diamond painting demonstration about a month and a half ago. I'll leave the link below and above. And I am still in the process of working on that magnificent diamond painting. But I couldn't pass up a chance to do another unboxing for them. So thank you, FeeLook, for considering me to showcase some of the new offerings on your website. So this is the beautiful kit. It's called Celine. It's this like fairy goddess type lady, and they include a hologram card. In each order, I got another hologram card. In my last order, this is just basic instructions, which is also on the box, and what's inside the kit. And by the way, keep that blue box. It is great to store all your diamond painting accessories, like especially if you're in between projects or you're working on a portion of a project and you want to finish it up. That box is nice and sturdy, and it really stores everything very well. We're going to just dive right into the diamond painting before I show you what's in this little baggie. Great supplies, by the way. And I'm going to give you my honest review on everything. So here is Celine. This one is another huge diamond painting. It is 23.6 inches by 31.5 inches, or otherwise 60 by 80 centimeters. So it is quite large, and this is going to take a little while to complete. I am still working on the last one, and I will show you my progress. Actually, I do a lot on my channel. Besides diamond painting, I do junk journaling and mixed media art. So I jump around to a lot of crafts. So this is the gorgeous Celine. I think this would be beautiful in a girl's bedroom. So future granddaughter of mine, get ready for this one. These are all the drills. Now they say their drills are made of resin. This one has 40 drills in there. It also said they have 7 minis and 7 special and 1 AB drill. I can't tell you offhand what that all means. I really can't. But if you're brand new to diamond painting, let me show you the packaging. So you're going to see something like this. You see the little code A03-322. You're going to look on the key for that corresponding number. So this A03 would just be the number 3. And let me just take this over to you really quickly. So the number 3, you're going to be utilizing, it also has the 322. All the areas on the diamond painting that have this plus sign, you're going to put those drills in there. And if you can look very closely, you can see all the different symbols and how it corresponds to the key. And the key corresponds to the packaging. And below this sticky surface right here, actually below this plastic surface right here, is a sticky surface where you put your resin drills. It's a simple point and place method. And this canvas is made out of, what did they say this was made of? They say it's like a velvety canvas. I thought it was more like felt, but they advertise on their website that this is like a velvety canvas, and it's really good quality because you can see it's pinked on the edges, and actually it's not stitching, it's just little holes. It has just a nice, very nice finish look. So that's the basics of diamond paintings. I have many videos where I demonstrate diamond painting. I'll leave a link to the last demonstration I did on a FeeLook kit. I am not going to start this kit until I finish my other one. It's just the way I roll, just the way I operate. I don't really like to start something new without finishing something old. So these are all the drills. I see what they mean here. They have a couple that are really tiny. See, these are tiny compared to, and then these are bigger. But this is an average drill size right here. Here are the special ones that they were talking about. They have some really special tiny ones and some bigger ones. The bigger ones are so easy to place. Look at them, they're so pretty. So those are the special ones in the package. You got some stars and bigger drills. Now, most diamond paintings I've ever done, you have plenty of drills left over. So if you scatter a little bit, don't worry about it. I always end up with tons and tons of extra drills from whatever project I've, done in the past. Let's take a quick look at the kit. Now this looks like the same kit that was included in the last unboxing I did, and it's really a nice kit. Most people give you like a few plastic trays and these little plastic plotter pens. They've given us the same pen, and I must tell you, this is the best pen I've ever worked with. I have, the little swag pens with like really pretty ones that have the little bling on it and stuff like that. This is the best pen I ever worked, because it's like the ergonomical design of it is just so comfortable in my hand. It's almost like a thick ballpoint pen, and it's already loaded with wax. I don't know if you can see it there. And if you need a little bit more, you just drill down on this just slightly, and a little bit of wax is going to come out. And another thing that makes this pen so special is the wax. It just lasts so long. Like, we're going to have some refills in here. So these are the refills. I didn't even get to the refills in my last one. In my last video, I put one of these refills in the pen because I didn't realize there's probably like an orange slab of wax this big in there. I haven't even reached the white wax yet. It just keeps going and going, the wax. I don't know. It's like, I just turn it slightly and it comes out at the end. I know I'm gushing over the pen, but it's really a good pen. These are the trays that you put your little resin drills in, and you obviously want the drills face up. So you kind of like shake it like this when you put the drills in, not like this. It'll go everywhere, just lightly. And the drill should be dome faced up. Here are 60 stickers, because what you pretty much want to do is you want to put the drills in little bags, and then you could number them with these stickers. So I'd be numbering 1 to 40 plus the special ones. And then nice pair of tweezers. You're going to need these. You're going to have to pick up some drills that fall in places they shouldn't fall. And, sometimes a little wax gets on, the project. You want to pick up the wax with it. So they gave us 2 bags of little baggies for the drills. And that was how, I believe the last kit also had 2 baggies. 30 bags in each one. So there's plenty in there. So that's all the accessories you're going to get. Again, I cannot tell you how much I highly regard this pen. It just works great. It's the best one I've ever used. Let me show you my progress on my last project that I did for them, that I'm still working on. So let me switch this out and I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. So I've done about 25%, maybe 25% of this huge diamond painting. So this is what I've done. Really coming out beautifully. I just peel this back and work in sections, and see how sparkly it is. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And I had to put this away for a few weeks actually, because my son and his girlfriend came for an unexpected visit. So we spent all week with them, and I really didn't do any art creating during that week. And then I had some design team projects I was doing for junk journaling. I do a lot of junk journaling on my channel. So I am about to hit this up today and restart my progress on it. But it's just a really beautiful kit to work with. I love these resin drills. I mean, a lot of these sparkle too. You can see how sparkly it is. And everything is sticking down so very nicely. So I can't wait to finish this one and frame it and start the next one. So that's my progress. And that's about it today, guys. I appreciate you coming by. Oh, another tip I want to show you, which I also showed in my last video. I put everything in the little baggies and I numbered them, and then I just have a little container for them to stay, staying organized, especially, I mean, this one has only 30 different resin drills. The other one's 40. So stay organized is so important. And I found this to be really helpful. So that's the best advice I can give you. Normally I'll be working and working. I don't even get up from my chair, and I need to get up and take more breaks, because I'll be like all stiff and everything like that. And it's like, I have to remind myself, get up, walk around, do something else too, because this is quite addicting. And one good thing about doing diamond painting is if you want to catch up on like videos and stuff like that, especially stuff that you can listen to, not necessarily watch, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's first to zone out and focus on some of your favorite videos. So, alrighty. Oh, one last thing I forgot to mention, I do have a discount code. You'll get 10% off your order with House of Jane 10. I'll leave the link down below. Actually, I don't know if my code is as good as their code. I think they're actually offering 15% off on their website. So, hey, use their code. You'll get more money off. I would. But if that code is not available, you could use mine and get 10% off. All right, thanks for joining me today, and I hope you subscribe and come back and visit me soon. Take care. Bye.